In 1945, the year that World War II ended, Germany was being split up into different sections and given to the victors of war. Germany was split up between East and West Germany. East was given to the Soviet Union, West was given to the United States, Great Britain, and France. It didn't take long before problems started brewing over border complications. The Soviet Union did not like that there were American, British, and French soldiers in the city of Berlin, a city very close to the border that was established and some considered property of the Soviet Union. So the Soviet Union tried different strategies to push them out of Berlin. One of the strategies that the Soviet Union had was putting up a blockade, making supplies impossible to reach the sectors. Their plan was to starve the Allies out of Berlin, which was not effective because the United States managed to supply their sectors by sending airdrops. Because the blockades proved to be ineffective, after more than a year passed, they were taken down. This strategy will be known as the Berlin Airlift. Moving on, during the time between 1945 and 1961, there wasn't really any physical barrier between the two sides. In fact, Germans were able to travel between East and West freely. It wasn't until August 13, 1961, 16 years after the end of World War II, a wall of concrete and barbed wire was built between East Berlin and West Berlin, officially separating the country. Since this wall was built, it became virtually impossible to enter West Berlin from East Berlin. Travelers were rarely allowed to cross the border, and soldiers would patrol the wall day and night. Families were separated, and at least 171 people were killed. This wall was soon known as the Berlin Wall.